Welcome guys to 30 Days of Learning Canva. In today's video, we will learn how to design a poster in Canva. Let's start. First, we will search for poster design from the Design Spotlight tab. Then, a blank page will appear. First, we will search for a frame from the Elements tab. Next, we will add our picture to it. Then, write the company name. After that, we will write what we are offering in our package. Next, we will use a mobile phone icon and add our number. Then, we will add a website icon and include our website. And we are done. That's the final look. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.